Hey guys, this side is Shiraj Singh with my friend Shorre, and today we are going to shoot an amazing podcast with my friend Shorre. And the topic of our podcast is the source of entertainment in new generation as well as in old generation. The first question that I want to ask to you is how was your childhood and what is your source of entertainment in your childhood?
My childhood was fantastic. Like I could remember many things in my childhood. What we used to do with my friends, and we used to go out. Mostly, we used to play outside of our homes. Like today, most of the people, the kids, used to play inside of their houses. There are many reasons for that, but like we used to play Sola Pachida, Pittu, and Damshalats, Chicklets. If you have heard these type of games.
Definitely.
And yeah, so these type of games, like we require like physical fitness, like we have to run around it. And to like the today generation are most of the technology based.
It depends on technology today
Yeah,
generation.
like they have like most the
Video games
cliche
and-
things like PS5, Xbox, and high tech laptops are coming like that can handle a more high tech games.
Definitely. Thank you, Shorre. This is a wonderful answer. The question is with you, Shorre. That does entertainment differ due to difference in upbringing from today's child and from the old generation child?
Yeah, it does. It quite does. Like the today generation, they have previous generation parents, and like our parents have their previous generation parents. Like there is a generation gap between the parenting also. Like our parents does not know about that much technology that we know, and like our parents they doesn't know anything about it. So yeah, it does affect our.
Affect our you. It's a wonderful answer, Shorre. So, according to my next question with you is: does entertainment correlated with academics also?
It does not. Like academics have their own priorities. Like academics is important, but entertainment, like you have to do it. Without entertainment, you will mind will be devastated, and like you cannot live without entertainment in life.
Because as there is answer always related that you can listen the songs while you are reading. So this can relate to the academics, yes or not?
It can be, but not much.
Not regularly, you want to
Yeah.
say that. Okay, the wonderful answer. So my next question with you is: what is the source of entertainment in new generation as well as the old generation?
Like I've already stated that in my first question.
Okay.
In your first question, so काट दियो ठीक है so the
So my next question is with you, Shorya, that what is the source of entertainment in new generation as well as in old generation?
So the source of entertainment differ a lot in new generation versus old generation. It differ due to parenting also. Like it depend due to your how privileged you are and how underdeveloped you are. Like how much like we can afford things to also. इसको pause कर यार.
Shorya, can you give me the reason for that? What is the source of entertainment in new generation as well as in old generation?
Like in old generation, like our grandmothers and grandfathers, like how they used to bring up our parents, like they are not really worried about them. Like in our generation, our parents are quite worried about us because in today's world, like they are not trustable in anything. But in previous generation, our like my grandparents are quite trustable in their.
Well, in their time they are quite trustable with you guys, but
Yeah.
nowadays they are not.
Yeah, because due to some like they think that it is quite threatful. Like if you can go outside and play.
Because of the environment that is going around.
Environment is not really good.
Definitely, you are right. So my next question is with you is the sure that last question. Does this change in entertainment due to generation gap affect the overall development of an individual?
Yeah,
Yes or not?
It does. Like it in old generation.
Because I want to set that some parents are saying that if you watch TV, it is good for entertainment. Some parents are saying you don't want to watch TV and they are still ban the TV because as it depends on parent to parent.
Like
So-
in old generation, the people used to have a black and white TV.
Okay.
Like they don't watch TV like for hours. They used to watch when they will eat. Like in today's generation, everything is on TV. Like today, Google. You can watch Google. Like you can play something on Google, like YouTube and all this shit, on TV only. So all things can be in one setup. So this is the thing, and in the overall development, right, it does affect, like it gives much confidence in previous generation. They are like more confident than today's generation.
Okay, Shaurya, thank you, yaar. You have a wonderful answer for all the questions.
Thank you,
Thank you,
man.
Shaurya. Once again.